This idea of least common multiple and greatest common factor, those concepts are some of the most confusing to children. They don't understand which is which, and I think this is why. The word least and the word multiple are diametrically opposed to one another, and kids focused on this word, least. With greatest common factor, it's the same issue. Kids focus on the word greatest, and so they think it's got to be greatest, which means the most. We need to focus on the word multiple, which sort of means, generally speaking, more, and the word factor, which in a way means fewer, or the smaller parts of numbers. Here I factored 10 into 5 and 2. Here I factored 15 into 5 and 3. These are all prime numbers. The greatest common factor, which is the fewer, is 5. So the greatest common factor is 5. The least common multiple, that's the more, that's trickier to figure out. Skip count is one way to do it. 10, 20, 30, 15, 30. The least common multiple is 30. Why do kids think that's got to be wrong? Because of the word least. It doesn't seem least at all, but it's the least common multiple. Whereas 5 doesn't seem great at all. It's less than 10 and 15. That should be discussed more to make your kids make sense. The words are really important in these concepts. The cool mathematical way to find a least common multiple is actually to take the greatest common factor from both numbers, use that, multiply it by the rest of the factors. 5 times 2 times 3, that's 6 times 5, that's 30. Let's try 20 and 12. The greatest common factor is 4, and the least common multiple is 60. Focus on those words, confusing. Focus on these words, makes more sense, but talk about it. Bye.